Hey guys, what's up? I'm half a Cape a Couple back again, and it's another unboxing day. It's actually the same day. I've got my camera today, my Teoric signal boosters for my remote, my Mavic Mini, and this one just came by courier, guys, and I know what this one is. And I'm so excited for this. It took 10 days, guys. 10 days by courier from China, right from Shenzhen, China. And the frig. So excited for this one, guys. This one is a new drone. What we have in this box is a Mavic Air 2. Check that out. So guys, there's the box. Much bigger than the Mavic Mini box. It's a lot thicker, as you can see. So we'll be filming with this from now on. This is supposed to be the best you can get, guys, for your buck. Your best bang for your buck. So I just want to get into this package. Probably gonna have to put it on charge before I actually take it out for a flight, so they don't come fully charged. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to charge the battery up. So guys, the cost of this, right from DJI, was $1,049. This one, the case slides off the top here. Sorry guys, I'm just sitting awkward in this chair. Come on, there we go. Wow, that is a big drone, guys. Show you guys this, and look at the size of that. That is huge. Now I'll show you the Mavic Mini, guys. This is what we were filming with. There's the Mavic Mini. There's the Mavic Air 2. Quite a difference, eh? Now this will handle a lot more wind, guys. We'll be able to we'll certainly be able to fly on windy days now and not have to use the Parrot Bebop anymore. I actually am thinking about putting the Parrot up for sale. Wow, what a drone. What a drone, guys. This is amazing. Has obstacle avoidance, so it will actually dodge trees and such, right? Has sensors on the bottom, sensors on the front, and sensors on the back for your obstacle avoidance. Has a 3-axis gimbal camera right here. I have to take the case off. But guys, I'm telling you, anybody that really wants a good drone, it's worth your investment. It's really well worth the $1,000. Like, for $1,000 you're not going to get any better than this. This is top tier, amazing, absolutely amazing. So it'll film 4K at 30 or 60 frames a second. It also has other settings, guys, but 4K is the highest at 30 or 60 frames. And I believe it's 100 megabits a second, the bit rate. Now, I may be talking garble to some people that don't understand that. It just means that it's fast, very fast. So with that being said, I'll charge it up, guys, and we'll head over to the ball field or somewhere, and I'll show you guys what it flies like. So catch you later. Peace. So sorry, guys, I forgot to show you guys what else is in the box. So you take the top lid off. We have our manuals, a remote, which is a much bigger, much better looking remote. This here remote, guys, has the antenna built right in to your phone holder, which is there. Your antennas are right in here, so it's much simpler than the Mavic Mini controller, which is this one. See the difference? The Mavic Mini antennas are right there. Now, we'll still keep our Mavic Mini. We'll still use it. But this is going to be the go-to guy for now on, guys. It's just amazing. Wow. Quite a piece of machinery. So what else is in the box? We have another small box here underneath. So that's it for in that side. We have this package. Now, I just bought the basic, guys. Comes with the one battery. I didn't buy the Fly More combo because it was like an extra couple of $100. So in the remote in the bottom, you'll see your joysticks. They also give you a second pair. They give you, there are 2 propellers in that pack, I believe. 3. There are 3 in that pack. And I believe there are 3 in this pack because it says it comes with 6. So you have 2 spares. You have 2 extra in case something goes wrong. What is this? That's my cables. That's your cables for the remote to your phone. We have a charge cable. We have another USB Type-C. And our power supply. I believe that's it, guys. Now, if you buy the Fly More combo, you're going to get some polarized filters for the camera on this too. But like I say, I didn't have an extra couple of $100 to invest. So now that you've seen all that, guys, I guess we'll catch you back in the field. Peace. Hey guys, what's up? So it's the next day now, and I had to wait because yesterday it actually started to rain. But now we're ready to go and have our flight for today. And check out the Mavic Air 2, see how it is. So I have 14 satellites, guys. Put it in tripod mode, slow. Take off. Hear how quiet that is? And what a piece of machinery, guys. The obstacle avoidance is beeping. You can hear it, I'd imagine, because it's getting close to me. And it won't allow it to touch me, guys. When it gets so close, it'll avoid me. I have the obstacle avoidance turned on. See, it just doesn't have it on the sides, but it has it on the front and it has it on the back. See, it's trying to avoid me, going around me. See that? I was holding forward and it's trying to go up and over me. So, hit record. Oh, actually it's not on. One second here, guys. I haven't really used this yet, and it's a lot different than the Mavic Mini. So we're in 4K. Let's go 60 frames a second. Record. So guys, what you're going to see here is some beautiful imagery. Let's take it up. We're 20 meters. I'll give you guys a view of town. So right now, guys, we're looking at the Marine Atlantic Terminal. And down a little bit so you guys can see my street and all. I'll put this video in a small box on top of the regular vid so you guys will be able to see what it's all about. Let's get up a bit higher here. So what the cool thing about this new drone, guys, is it has an advanced technology that if an airplane comes anywhere near the vicinity, this app will warn me. It'll tell me there's a plane or a helicopter coming, so I can get down, get out of its way, which is pretty decent, pretty cool. So I'm going to bring it down here, guys, and I'm going to fly it around the field here a bit and give you guys a little view of it. And it's pretty quiet too. And man, is it fast, guys. That's full speed ahead, and that's in tripod mode. That's the slowest mode it has. You guys can see that? It's an amazing piece of equipment, guys. It's a little expensive, yes, but if you're going to get into the hobby, guys, I would highly recommend buying this. If you can't afford this, buy the Mavic Mini. It's half as good as this. Just doesn't have all the options that this one has. Like, I can set this to follow me, guys. With the obstacle avoidance turned on, I can go in the woods and it will dodge trees. If the tree gets in its way, it'll go around it just to try and track me. Let's actually see here. See, I haven't played with this yet, guys, so I don't know how you turn all this on yet. The active track. HDR anyway. Let's see, quick shots. Okay, well, for quick shots, we'll do let's do a rocket. So guys, I'll draw a square around me so it has a view of me. I'll hit start and it'll do a droney. It'll go straight up in the air but keep its view on me. So as you guys can see on the remote, if you can see that, it's getting a shot of me from directly above. And when it's finished its quick shot, it'll come back to where it started from. And it's finished, it's coming back. That is pretty cool. And I add some of these shots in our videos, guys. But what I'm really interested in is the active track. Which I don't know how to get to. Okay. Force lock, waypoint. I'm gonna have to go home and look it up, guys, because I don't see it in the options here. Okay, so I don't really have time to play with that right now, guys, but I'll figure out the active track, and we'll actually be using that in some of our videos, because most of these trails we wander through, this is what I wanted it for. To set it to follow us and just walk away. So you'll get an aerial view of us going through the trails. So I guess with that being said, guys, show you here. You hear the beep? Hear that beep? I'm gonna hit straight ahead. It's not gonna come any further. I'm holding up, see? It's trying to find a way around without touching me. See that? It finally went forward when it got so far away from me. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So subscribe to the channel, comment down below, make sure your post notifications are on, give us a like, guys, and until the next time, catch you later. Peace.